Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well, and in today's video we are taking a look at the motor maintenance loadout I have moved over from my MB2B bag and TP4B bag over there into this new SBLD bag from Veto. Now this is a mixture of new tools and old tools because I made some changes from the original loadout a few months ago that I did. So take a look down one of the sides here. To start off with, this is a set of Klein combination pliers. These are about 9" long, 220mm long pliers there. We have Veto side cutters, 160mm side cutters here, and then we have the Milwaukee 3/8 drive ratchet and a set of the sockets. The Milwaukee set is their new 3/8 drive 32-piece set, so I've just taken out bits and pieces that I want. This is a holder rail from Silverline, just a plastic holder rail, so I've got some of the sockets in there for that. Then in this pocket we have the Koken 3/8 drive folding driver. You can utilise as a kind of box spanner. And then we have the 150mm extension from the Milwaukee set, along with a little hill bar. This is from Sealy, I think. It comes from a set. I've just taken the one out of the set that I want to use. Around this side we have Olight torch here, a couple of spanners. This is from the Draper Expert set that I did a couple of videos back, and then my Facom 7mm, because Draper set doesn't have a 7mm spanner in it. I've got a bit adapter 3/8 drive, and then this is the set of Allen key bits from Sealy, again on another Silverline socket holder rail. And then we have terminal screwdrivers, CK screwdrivers, and number 1 Phillips and a 4mm slotted there. And then we can get to the front here. So I have the PB Swiss bit holder there, that's set, so I can just flip that open and access bits as I need them. Inside the pocket here we have a small 75mm extension, I think it is, from the Milwaukee set. A couple of the other Allen bit drives that I don't use quite so much, and I didn't have enough holders on the rail there. And then the remainder of the sockets that I like to carry from the Milwaukee socket set there. Those ones. In the main pouch at the front here we have the remainder of the CK screwdriver set. That's the 5.5mm slotted, I think, and a number 2 Phillips there. I have a PB Swiss strike through screwdriver there. In the corner tucked away is the adjustable spanner from Channel Lock. That's the one with the slim jaws on it. And then I have a scraper. This particular one's from Bergen, again from a set. I just take out the one that I want, although it's not seeing an awful lot of use in this bag. I have the ratcheting screwdriver from Veto with a bit holder on the end. And then the 17-19mm spanners from Draper, along with the rest of the set. 10, 12, 13, 14mm spanners there. And then finally a set of grips from Armeg. These are the automatic adjusting grips. So that's all the tooling out. Around the back here I have my measurement equipment. We have a proving unit. This particular one's from Martindale, so it gives me testing on insulation tests as well as a voltage output for checking the voltage stick there. There's my Q-Tech. This is obsolete now. This is the Q1700, but still going reasonably strong. And then inside the pouch here I have my insulation multimeter. This is kind of just about goes in there. This is the Keysight U1460A1. Unfortunately obsolete now, they don't make this anymore, but one of the best meters I have for general maintenance. And then I have the leads in the other side pocket here, just with the probes on the end there. And finally, for all the crop clips, I have this small PB5 parts bag from Veto, so I have the crop clips in there, along with some of the adapters that I use for doing some of my testing. And that is the complete lot out of this bag. So whilst I now have everything in one bag, which is better, in terms of the sizing of the pockets against the TP4B I have here, I kind of find these larger, not quite as deep as the pockets on this one, and as a consequence it doesn't hold the tools quite as well. Classic one for that is something like the little terminal screwdriver here, which is fairly loose. I don't think it will come out, but you never know. Could put it in there, but it's deeper but even more loose, whereas when it was sat in the TP4B it just locked in quite nicely. I had the same with the Koken driver as well. It doesn't quite fit quite as well, but in this pocket in the TP4B it pushed down and gripped quite well. Some of that I have solved with doubling up tools. You saw on the pill bar and the extension, put them in together and it kind of pads out the pocket a bit better. But yeah, it's kind of mixed emotions about it this moment in time as to whether or not it will work out for me. Only time will tell. The other thing I have noticed is the clips on the handle on my TP4B here. You can see that it's comprising out, and I do lose this on occasion and just leave it dangling by the one handle. The other side is perfectly fine. That's working all okay. On the new bag it's a different style of clip, so whether they've had issues with this or not and they've changed it accordingly, don't know, but we'll have to see how that lasts as well. So for those that are interested, we have 8.20 kilograms utilising the old bags there. As you can see, that's the set of old bags, and then we switch this over to the new setup and you can see the weight has actually gone up. That's now 8.4 kilograms utilising the new bag there, and that's equivalent to £18 in old money. So there you have it. That's my motor maintenance loadout moved over to the SBLD bag from Veto. Just put up this little table here so you can see the overall costs we are on at this moment in time. That's including the new tools that I've added to this kit and removed the older Tang stuff. And we are around about £890 for all the tooling. That doesn't include the Keysight U1461A in the back there, primarily because you can't buy that anymore, it's obsolete, which is a real shame because it is one of the best meters I've found for actually doing general routine motor maintenance. Nothing I've found that can compare to that really. But that was selling at around about 980 to £1,000, something like that, so a very expensive meter but very good. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks very much for watching, hope you found it useful, and I'll see you again in the next one.